Hello everyone, today we will discuss Lesson 1 of American Cursive. Lesson 1 will do most of the talking and there's no writing exercise, but the points are very important. Lesson 1 reviews the placement of the paper, how to hold the pen, and how to position your paper as you write, as well as good posture. I will highlight some of the most important points, but I can't go over every detail. If you are interested or if you find my video insufficient, you should buy the textbook and read in more details on your own. First, I want to highlight this point that good penmanship is the result of two things. First, you need to train your eye so that you can recognize proper letter form and spacing. And second, you need to train your hands to develop the muscle memory to actually execute what you see. The ultimate goal is that your eyes and your hands should work in coordination effortlessly. The next point discusses how to position your paper. In my video, you usually see the baseline as parallel to your screen, and that's because it's good for your viewing experience. But when I actually write, the paper is not parallel to my body. I will take off the camera to better demonstrate how the paper is positioned. As you can see, the camera itself is mounted at an angle, and the paper here is not parallel to the desk. It's positioned at an angle. The angle is roughly, if you connect this diagonal line here, it should be pointing straight to the center of your torso. One way to remember this is when you write letter, the slant should point, you should produce the slant by simply drawing towards your body. By push and pull your elbow, you should be able to produce a consistent slant across the page. Now you see that the baseline is parallel to the screen again, but remember, I am positioning the paper at an angle to myself. If you are left-handed, you have other options. The figure D and E are two options for left-handed people. So if you're left-handed, I strongly suggest you check more details and purchase the textbook. And next I will go over how to shift paper. The textbook recommends that you write no more than 6 letters in a single connected stroke. That's because the finger movement range is quite limited. Suppose I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I ran out of space for my finger. What I can do is I will lift my wrist. I will move my wrist slightly towards the right hand side and start writing again. Once I run out of space again, I have the option to shift the paper. Using my non-writing hands, to pull the paper, and I shift my writing hand to the left. Now I am at the left side of my writing zone again. So the writing zone is approximately this big, this large. It allows you to write about 10 to 12 letters, or maybe more, depending on how large your arm is. The point is, you shouldn't try to write from the left side of the page all the way to the right side. It won't work. The point is, you shouldn't try to connect every letter in a sentence such that you strain your muscle, your lower back, and develop unnecessary fatigue in your body. And with that, I think I highlighted all the important points in lesson 1. In next lesson, we will actually start doing some movement exercise. So if you got the textbook, please read in more details. It will only save your time in the long run. And thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.